Bang! Neeves Knives. I'm Jared with my lovely wife, Kara.
Hello.
And today we have an unboxing from Mr. Amazing, which is absolutely amazing. He always sends amazing gifts, and let's just get into
We
it.
should do an amazing counter to see how many times we say amazing.
Let's get into the box. Also, there might be a knife in here or some knives in here that we can possibly use as giveaway knives. This is also one of the gifts from Mr. Amazing, the Hinder XM24.
Truly amazing knife.
Alright, let's hold the flap up just in case there's something I can't see in here. Okay, let's start with... That might be all of them right there. Oh, no, that's not. Go ahead. Start with that.
Can you take the box off the table? Yeah,
I will.
Put it on on the side of the chair because I got a lot of room here.
I think the rest is padding. Okay.
Okay.
Seems that way.
Let's get that box out of here, boy.
I'll double check in a second.
It's a little... No, that's just his address. We'll put that to the side. Okay, let's start with this one. It says CKF. That is Custom Knife Factory.
What?
What is this?
I don't...
M390 marble carbon fiber titanium frame
Let me
lock.
see the logo.
Looks like a sunshine.
I don't know.
Is this a CKF? I don't know.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so this is the McCad knife. It's an Anton Malishev. I don't want to pronounce their names wrong, but
Anton.
it says an impact knife.
Malishev.
Let me just, I'll put a clip in.
Wow.
This is awesome. It's a Russian knife maker. You know, Custom Knife Factory always sends extra parts. We got extra clip here.
This thing is insane.
Extra hardware. I'll show that in a second. This is badass.
Insane.
Wow.
You know what it reminds me of? A better version of that Twosun that you were obsessed with, the 169, right? Was it the 169?
No.
Or 162?
The
one that you gave away that you loved.
Oh, it reminds you of that?
A better version of it, yeah.
Do
you not see how
I don't see it, but it's
the
okay.
look, the vibe.
I don't see that.
It's just a vibe. It's a general vibe.
Okay, I get it. Very badass.
It's so smooth.
It is so smooth.
The
What if I can
frame lock
reverse?
is
Ooh,
smooth.
and I can reverse flick it.
Frame is smooth. Flipper is smooth. The flipper tab is a tiny bit short, in my opinion, but it works.
This marble carbon fiber.
Don't you agree the flipper tab is a wee bit stubby?
Stubby?
For the size of the knife. But it works. It felt shorter than I wanted it to feel.
It feels like it's a light switcher. You have to light switch it.
Because there's not a lot of room on it.
Yeah, it is a very small flipper tab.
But it works, though.
All right, let's...
Quite well.
Next one. Because I'm going to insert a bunch of clips.
This is an interesting case we have here.
Hold on, wait for me.
It looks like it actually...
This is badass.
Does this case have belt loops?
Yes.
So I could put a whole ass knife case on me. Interesting. I don't know what that is.
Oh, that's Monterey Bay Knives.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow. That is so awesome. Come on.
I'm so excited. I know what this is. I've seen her before.
It's
Isn't
a
this Laconico?
It's a Laconico knife.
Oh
design.
my lord. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you know how long I've wanted one of these?
I know you like this design. You have the Yorkie.
I love this design.
Can you check it out?
I want to anodize it. I want to make it mine. I want to,
It has micro milling. You can see.
Oh my god.
I can't think of the name of this one, though.
Does it matter? Does it need a name? Its name is awesome. Wait, it's on the... No, that just says Laconico.
Yeah, the very Laconico.
He always does that. Oh my god.
I know the name of this. I just can't think of it.
Not the Keen.
That's a drop knife. This is the actual Monterey Bay knife.
It's a...
I'll insert it in.
Insert.
Man, this thing is awesome. The action and detent is so snappy.
I freaking love it. I want it anodized just inside the tube. Can we do that? Just in here?
I don't know how good it would look.
It would look amazing.
Okay, calm down.
Or just the clip, maybe? Maybe just like a clip anode?
This is an integral.
I know.
I didn't realize that till just now.
Listen, what if I just did the clip just for a little pop? Little pop.
Wow. This is awesome.
Wouldn't that be cool?
We'll see.
It's mine, so I don't know why. No. I want to carry it.
All right. Let's go to the next one.
Oh my god.
That's awesome. It's an integral. I know what knife this is. I just cannot think of the name of it. I know.
Oh my god.
Listen
to it go
regular
on.
conical designs, good clips.
Listen to it go on. You hear that?
I hear that.
It's like, whoa. Okay. Next up we have a Spyderco. Whoa. She's a beast. Wait, hello? Oh, this is the knife. There's extra scales. It looks like there's custom scales on it. And it looks like we have a PM Paramil. Oh, woo! Would that be beautiful?
We have not ever had one or owned one of these.
This, my friend, is
that is awesome.
Amazing action. Holy. I can't swear, but holy.
Wow.
Feel that action, though. That micarta, that's my dream micarta, the way that looks.
Yes, these are really, this is really nice micarta. Yes. This is exactly how micarta is supposed to feel. So many companies make micarta, but this is super soft, and it's exactly why micarta is so popular, because of how soft and warm it feels. And the action from this one is really,
the regular
really nice.
Scales are green G10, which are very nice as well. But that micarta, though.
K390. Holy cow.
Whoa.
This is a sprint run version. This is a very popular sprint run version.
Really?
Yes, absolutely. Oh, that is so badass.
He kind of messed with you about what was in this.
I don't know. I
thought he said they were budget knives.
I knew they had to be, because I just figured, because it's like our budget versus his budget, big difference.
Look, he gave you just a titanium scale for the hinder. Oh my god. It's beautiful. It's like got a Pegasus on it.
What?
Oh, let's open this up. I know you'll put a picture in for them to see, right?
Yes. That is so badass. You ain't got to show them. We'll show them.
I know, but I'm just like...
That is so amazing.
That's beautiful.
I can't wait to put the 3.5. It goes on the 3.5.
This one right here?
That's next. I'm 24. The other one's right here.
Wait, what color is the other one? Is that the one with the blue hardware you got? Oh, that's going to look amazing.
It's gonna look fire.
You know what would look cool with gold hardware? That would be even cooler, I have to say. Because it would pop.
And this one's done by Hinder. So this is an actual Hinder scale.
Wow.
That's amazing.
This probably is very rare.
This is awesome.
I would imagine. Because they don't do the titanium ones that often, do they?
And I love... you know what? It's crazy because as much as I love the micarta scale and how it looks right now, what I love even more than micarta is titanium. So that is crazy cool.
Oh, yeah, that's your micarta one. You could leave the other side micarta. It would pop.
No, I can't.
Oh, because it's the frame side.
That's where it would go.
Sorry. Yeah. I'm sure every Hinder person just freaking yelled through there.
He can't.
You dumb beep.
I'll insert a clip of the one right now. Which was a gift from him, by the way.
What do you think this is?
Crazy.
I know what it is. Because I read the outside of it.
I have no idea.
Yeah. Holy balls.
Come on. No way.
Look, Chris Reeves.
No way.
That's like one of the cool ones. Oh, God. You're like in heaven right now. I know
This is how...
Can I feel this one?
Yes.
Because
this is how they're supposed to feel.
It has this on it, so I automatically like it. And the titanium itself actually doesn't have the chalky feel, only the frame does.
We checked out one, but it was an old one. So we
checked out a couple, and all of them I did not like.
Well, let me just finish real quick. One was really old, and the other one was brand new. So you didn't get to experience the smoothness. I mean, the other one was very smooth. The new one was very smooth. But this is on another level of smoothness.
It now I'm understanding a little more.
Yeah. Wow. She didn't understand because it was really tight, the other one. This one is...
I didn't get the glassy feel.
Yes, now you get it, right?
Yes, I do. I do indeed.
That's nice.
My only gripe though is I don't like that cone thumb stud on them. I do wish they had like the more cylindrical one.
This one's super easy.
What is that material?
To flick. I know you're not supposed to flick them. What?
You can if you want. What is this? It feels so good. It's like wood.
It's some type of wood, yeah.
Look at this leather pouch. This is an amazing pouch.
Let's see if I can reverse.
Think twice, cut once.
Yep. Well, that's a work thing.
Measure twice, cut once.
I know, but it's the same thing though.
Leather smell.
Very
smells
nice.
like a vacation.
Very nice. A vacation?
Yeah, because I stay in a lot of cabins for vacation. You know, it reminds me of Colorado. Think Colorado.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Man, it smells like Texas too. It smells like Texas. That's what it smells like.
Okay, I can see that. I've never been to Texas.
This is what Texas smells like.
I need to go to Texas. Man, this thing is so awesome.
I know. I have family there. We should go.
Holy cow! Oh, it's so awesome.
Okay. Now we have something in a very annoying paper that I don't like.
Oh, I'll get it.
It's okay. I will.
Oh, you can handle it right now.
I will tough it out. Okay.
I already see what it is.
It's Quiet Carrie.
Yep.
With the big cute. Ooh, I like this sticker.
So this.
Oh man! I get this one. Just FYI.
Baby!
Because that's your Christmas present, and I swear if you trade it for this one, I'm going to be so insulted.
I would never trade.
So insulted.
This is going into my grave.
Because these were sold out.
Can I try
and that was the only one left. But you have one. And you love it.
I do.
And I feel one-upped right now, and I'm very upset, Mr. Amazing. This one's better. It is.
Well, can I say something really quick that Lavender Pants told me?
What?
So Lavender Pants said that there were different runs of this, right? And he said, like, during all the... this was just his theory, by the way. This isn't, like, a fact. This is a theory that because of all the pandemic stuff, people were having to work. Some people were having to work way more hours than normal, and, like, the schedules were all messed up. So he was saying that, like, the first run's detent was a little bit stronger than another one. And I might be interpreting it wrong than what he was originally saying, but the second batch did have a little bit of a lighter detent. So I was saying that, let me just check.
This one is thinner though, I think, a little bit. Actually, this is really nice, the black one.
This one's maybe I'm just wrong.
What?
It does feel a little different though.
It does. I think this is thicker.
No, they're the exact same. It's that this one has texture. This one's not as slick as that one. This one has a little bit lighter detent.
Comes off more gentlemanly to me.
Yeah, executive, right?
Yeah.
Somebody said that in the comments, and I'm like, totally.
And you know
seriously
what?
Seems executive.
I'm really not trying to talk it up because I got it for you, but because we have so many plain titaniums, I know you like that, but it is kind of nice to have something different. It really is such a gentlemanly looking knife, the black one.
My thing though, and this is just me being honest, that I loved the way this one looked with the titanium, but then after getting this one, then it was like, yeah, I like that too, because this is it's
not the way you think it is.
No, the coating is like a DLC. It's like, it's really strong and durable. You can tell just by touching it, it's a very durable finish, and I like them both, but
well, you have one, and now I do too.
Well, we can either do like a his and hers, or we could possibly give.
I love that knife.
Because I can always send this to Richie to have him
I might give it away, but for now it's mine. I might choose to give it away, though. Possibly. To the Patreon.
Maybe we do have a Patreon giveaway.
Let's keep in mind, people, when we get knives, a lot of them are...
Okay, so the video camera stopped. We did not realize it, but we only had one more knife to unbox, which is a duplicate of a knife that we already do have, which is the Swaybacks, or the Kaiser Swags Swayback. So,
wait a minute. What is this?
Obviously, it's for the clutch. That's why it was on top of it.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I thought it was
well, look, it's a different box. So, obviously, we will definitely use this for a giveaway. Since we already do have this exact same one.
I do think it feels slightly snappier than mine.
I already told you that's not true. So, no, it's pretty much the exact same.
A button feels snappier.
Tent might be a little lighter on this one, but not by much. Maybe I'll do a video comparing them. I don't know, but we already do have a review up on this knife if you want to check it out. So, there you guys go. Thank you guys for watching. Mr. Amazing, thank you so much. We actually already did film this part, but it stopped. So,
And I did in this part previously let you know that I only am forgiving you for one-upping my Christmas present because of this Ray Laconico. So we're okay, but you're on thin ice. So.
Thank you guys. Thank you, Mr. Amazing. You always give the most insane gifts, and this
unbelievably,
this blew us away.
We are so grateful. It blows my mind every time somebody gives us something. I'm like, why?
But then also from the conversation we had,
like that's so nice.
This is far beyond what I could have imagined.
Yeah.
From the conversation we were having. Yeah, because he said that there was one in here we didn't like. And
I think it was the Sabanza. I think he has heard me maybe talk about the Sabanza.
Yeah, but I love the Sabanza.
I know. When I saw that CRK on the side of this pouch, I was like, oh, Lord. Here we go. This one is infinitely better than, to me, because it doesn't have the weird chalky scale feeling.
You know, we have a knife here right now that you don't know about. It's a clone of this knife. And not this exact one. Don't worry about it. I'm saying we have a clone here right now, right? With Lindy Lou's anodizing on it. You haven't seen it yet. I'll show you after this video. But maybe I'll do a comparison video showing you why, like how you can just tell instantly that it is a clone. Because, yeah, it doesn't compare to this one at all. These knives are so amazing, man. Thank you so much. I've never even tried K390. I can't wait to sharpen this.
You know, it'd be cool.
What? If
songs didn't get like edited out for copyright or whatever, or like demonetized, it'd be so cool on these videos if we could have that one song that's like, "Cause bitch, I'm amazing," you know? Yeah, Mr. Amazing. Yeah. Look what I'm blazing. I mean, I know it's whatever, but that would be cool. That'd be cool.
Thank you guys. Love you guys. Thank you, Mr. Amazing. This is absolutely incredible.
Or amazing.
Or amazing. Or amazing. Peace.